Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best spin mops for cleaning in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. Let's begin with the Aootek. This Aootek Floor Cleaning System is designed to provide comfortable house cleaning with an outstanding ability to absorb and remove dirt from the floor. Unlike other mops that use plastic or aluminum, this Aootek comes in stainless steel, while its handle, which is also constructed out of stainless steel, ensures durability and is backed by our 1-year warranty. It has 3 super microfiber mop heads that dry the floor instantly and does not leave any streaks. And featuring a dual-spout bucket and patented centrifugal spinning design, it will let you rinse and dry the mop head without getting your hands dirty. The mop head is machine washable, and besides that, this microfiber mop head does not cause damage, spill, or shock the floors. Next is Tsmine. Coming up with ultra-absorbent microfiber heads, this Tsmine spin mop will give you a stress-free cleaning process. Unlike other baskets, this spin mop bucket is made of durable PP and 3 or 4 stainless steel for serving you for a long time, while its telescoping handle can be adjusted up to 61 inches, as you don't have to bend down and suffer from back pain. And featuring a bucket with strong spin ringing performance, this mop head rings drier to save you more effort. It has 2 wheels and 1 pull handle for offering easy mobility. And in addition to that, it also has 1 drainage plug for draining water and 1 detergent dispenser for the dirtier floor. Its other 6 microfiber spin mop heads have a great absorbent ability, and you can use them to clean glass, tile, hardwood, laminate, and more. Next is MOPNADO. This spin mop from MOPNADO can make a lot of work hassle-free for you. It is the perfect mop for cleaning all floors, like concrete, stone, vinyl, tile, hardwood, and laminate. And its included microfiber mop heads are both machine washable and durable. It has a 180-degree swiveling mop head, allowing easy access to clean under hard-to-reach areas. And featuring a handle that can be extended up to 56 inches, you can even clean your house ceiling and windows. And when it comes to its deluxe model, it provides 2 handles and large wheels for easy mobility while cleaning, while this bucket is made from stainless steel, ensuring durability. Next is BOOMJOY. This spin mop from BOOMJOY is an efficient spot cleaner. Its 360-degree rotating microfiber mop head can be applied to various floors like laminate, hardwood, tile, vinyl, stone, and concrete, easily removing the dirt and stain on the floor. And featuring a patented de-water hole, it will enable you to easily drain away water, as you don't need to lift its heavy bucket when your cleaning is completed. Its spinning bucket is detached, and you can also use it for water storage. And when it comes to its handle, it houses a stainless steel handle that is extendable up to 51 inches, helping you clean the laminate, hardwood, and tile floors easily. Next is O-Cedar. This O-Cedar is a cost-effective spin mop that makes mopping quite appealing. As a microfiber mop, it can easily attack and lock in the dirt, dust, pet hair, grime, dried on or sticky messes better than a traditional cotton wet mop. And what's more impressive is that you can use it on both wet or dry for mopping or dusting. Featuring a built-in ringer, you can get a hands-free ringing, while its splash guard can keep the water splash and spray inside the bucket itself when wringing or when transporting the bucket from room to room, which is an added benefit for providing mess-free cleaning. And when it comes to deep cleaning, included deep cleaning microfibers can absorb and remove hard grime and dirt from the floor, leaving it clean. It has a high-quality foot pedal that often activates spin ringing, allowing the moisture to be controlled. And designed with 360-degree rotation, this easy ring mop can reach and clean deep into corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between the tile. Lastly, we have another excellent product from Twist & Shout. This Twist & Shout spin mop is one of the highest rated products you can find in the market. It is incredibly durable and high performing, and when it comes to its design, it comes with a sturdy yet lightweight bucket that is very easy to fill and dump water. It has a self-wringing mop, which will allow your hands to stay dry without bending and cutting the cleaning time to half. And featuring a microfiber head that rotates 360 degrees and joint pivots at 180 degrees, it can also clean under furniture and other hard-to-reach areas. It is a great mop for cleaning windows, walls, cars, and boats. And with its included super absorbent microfiber heads, you can clean 3 times better than cotton, leaving no streaks and dries floors instantly. These microfiber heads are machine washable and can last for up to 6 to 12 months maximum. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.